This is how you turn on your TV front and back. We're going to start with the Samsung, which is a front TV. We're going to turn it on. Now, once you have activated your Wi-Fi, you will have all streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, all of that fun stuff. All right, and again, you will have some access buttons right here in your controller. Next, if you need to connect your HDMI that's right below your Alpine, we'll go to either TV for a gaming system, computer, or DVD. Now, the house will always take you out to the main menu. And if you want to go watch TV, you'll just select, over-the-air free TV channels or the HDMI that we just pointed out. The same thing is going to happen for the back TV. You're going to turn on your TV. Just make sure you're kind of pointing your infrared right underneath the TV. It will turn on. Once you activate your Wi-Fi, you will have all the streaming apps, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, etc. Right? If you need to do stuff like live TV and stuff like that, all you're going to do is just going to select live TV. Or for a connection like an HDMI or something, it's just going to appear and you can go to your settings. Or like I said, you can just go to your live TV and you can select the channel that you desire.